Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a coconut palm sugar scrub, and if you want to know how, then stay tuned. I am using the organic coconut palm sugar, and you can find this in your local grocery store. The coconut palm sugar is more finer in texture and is more gentle on skin, so it's a light exfoliant. I'm just adding 1 cup to the bowl. Next, I'm adding in my extra virgin olive oil. You can get this at your local grocery store, but I got mine from TJ Maxx for $5.99, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm adding in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. It is a great moisturizer, removes dirt and makeup, gives you glowy skin, reduces scratch marks, is a natural sunscreen, clears acne. It does a whole lot. So next up, I'm using my Trader Joe's vitamin E oil. I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, improves dry skin, helps with eczema, minimize appearance of scars, help fade skin discolorations, and more. Next, I am using the Peppermint Essential Oil. This essential oil relieves muscle and joint pain. It has sinus and respiratory benefits, increases energy, and relieves itching. I added in about 8 drops. Next, I'm using the Eucalyptus Essential Oil. This oil is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal. It helps skin and promote new cell growth for clearer, youthful appearance. So now that I've added all the ingredients, I'm just mixing them all together. So now I'm about to put all the product that I just made into a jar that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.